In a significant step towards enhancing educational infrastructure and fostering economic growth in the region, Honorable Uche Okolo, the Executive Chairman of Awgu Local Government Council, has officially commenced the construction of road networks leading to smart schools across the 11 wards of Awgu Local Government area. The initiative began with a nearly 4-kilometer road project with adequate drainages consisting of 2 box and 7 ring culverts connecting to the Awgu Smart School. This development aligns with Governor Peter Mba's transformative vision for Enugu State, aiming to provide improved access to education and healthcare facilities. The new road will also facilitate easier transportation to other key institutions, including the Awgu Ward Farm Estate, Awgu Girls Secondary School, and the re-equipped Type 3 Primary Health Center Awgu, thereby enhancing agricultural practices, the healthcare delivery, and educational opportunities in the area. The project is expected to yield substantial developmental and economic benefits for the residents of Awgu and the wider Awgu community. Honorable Okolo's commitment to good governance is evident through his ongoing initiatives, which includes the establishment of Awgu Smart Farms, the installation of over 600 solar street lights in various communities, and the successful Water for All initiative. Residents have expressed their gratitude for the project, particularly highlighting its potential to boost agricultural productivity by improving access to markets. Mrs. Amarachi Okoro, a local resident from Shikahon, voiced her appreciation for the chairman's efforts in addressing the long deplorable state of the road.
Afa m bụ Amarachi Okolo. Ụzọ a na-aga Awgu obodo Apụ. Mgbe ebidobeghị lụwa ụzọ a, ịma nganwe ụzọ a n'udu mmiri, botu ma ọkọchị, pọtọpọtọ. N'udu mmiri otu a, ebe niile ị na-aga, ịma nzọnwa ụkwụ. N'uto pọtọpọtọ na-adịje ebe niile. Mụ na onwe m sef ụzọ agbatugo m before. Mana thank God ka ebido wee lụwa ụzọ a. Onye ọbụla dịkwa n'obi aṅụrị maka na mmepe obodo ọ dịghọ izi. Ọ ga-abara anyị bụ maka na anyị bụrụ na-akụ ugbo anyị na-ada ikpo ndị ọkada ha sị na ha ada aga n'ụzọ adịrọ mma, mana kịta na-emedochie ụzọ anyị ga na-enwetazi ma moto ma ọkada ga na-evu anyị bifo na ị na-agafe ụzọ a egwu a na-atụ, mana kịta development bidoziri ụzọ dịzi ka township mana ọ village. Enwere ike ịgwa ha bụ ha jide ka ha ji ike agwụkwana ha n'ọrụ. Jizọs kpuchie ha n'ọbara ya, ọbara nwa atụrụ, ajọ mmụọ na ajọ mmadụ afụkwana ha anya. Ka aka Jizọs, ka aka bụkwala aka ha, ka onye bidoro ọrụ a na isi ka o bikwa ya na njedebe. Ọ bụ nwere ike ịgwa ha ka ume gbaa ha, obiligwe nọnyere ha, ihe ọma, ihe agam n'iru, ihe aka ka enwe akọkwana na ndụ ha. Arụ isi ike, ndụ na agam n'iru. Ọ ya bụ nwere ike ịgwa ha.
During a site visit, Engineer Kingsley Nwanna provided an update on the project's progress, noting that the construction is advancing steadily. He expressed confidence that the project will be completed within the next 3 months.
Okay, my name is Engineer Kingsley Nwanna. So I'm the engineer in charge of this road. Okay, this project, I came into this project just barely a month and now. In this month, and I can assure you that the work is moving progressively. By now, I think we've gotten up to almost about close to 2-kilometer drainage. And as you can see, we've started our earthworks, moving down towards the smart school. In total, I think it's about approximately 4 kilometers. By God's grace and with the help of the mayor, I believe this project might complete in next 2-3 months. Challenges, just as everyone know, that this is rainy season. So I think during rainy season at times rain can stop work. But I believe we are just doing everything possible to make sure we overcome it.
The new road network will connect Awgu Smart School to surrounding communities, linking Akanwon, Obom, and Obodakbo communities. This initiative not only underscores Honorable Uche Okolo's dedication to development, but also reflects the aspiration of residents of Awgu who have affectionately dubbed him One Day, One Project for his commitment to ongoing development across Awgu local government area.
When you think of online TV and radio, broadcasting, media consultancy, event coverage, event management and planning, there's no better name than Ogama TV. But that's not all. We're also into photo studio and coverage, equipment rental, news blogging, fashion and pageantry. We are at number 5/21 Chime Avenue, beside Open Sheraton Restaurant, New Haven, Enugu. Follow us on our social media handles: Facebook at Ogama TV, Instagram at Ogama TV1, Twitter at Ogama TV, website www.ogamatv.com. You can also send us email at ogamatv@gmail.com. Ogama TV, your one-stop media solution.